Yeah, fuck these niggas cause they always being extra. All these diamonds on me, I don't feel no pressure. Money coming in like I am an investor.